index certainly put the brakes on its gaining streak in today's trading session. So we started off Thursday morning a little bit somber, quoting lower by about 50 points to trade below the coveted level of 13,500 in trade. In fact, currently quoting at about 13,400, that's down nearly 1%. For the Sensex as well, you did have that selling pressure fairly evident, so about 350 points off at 45,700 levels. The broader market seeing a very similar momentum, so that acute selling pressure fairly evident within the mid and the small cap universe too, that breadth firmly skewed in favor of the losing side. In terms of sectors, you definitely did have the Nifty Bank, which was pressured quite severely, so that sector was down in trade. In fact, declined more than 100 points at the open, and continuing to look under pressure. The media is seeing a downward drift. You've got sectors like PSU banks, energy, as well as pharmaceuticals. All of those continue to remain under a bit of pressure in today's trade. Taking it then to the list of Nifty losers, and keep an eye out on UPL. That stock is seeing a massive gash of double digits in today's trading session, and that's largely on the back of reports that emerged with respect to whistleblower claims of siphoning of money and all of those reports. But we spoke with the management of UPL on the channel, who said that the auditors have reviewed the complaint. It has been put to rest, and as of now, the business across the agri-commodity sector continues to hold out quite well. That's a sector, that's a stock that continues to remain in focus, because the NBFCs as well. RBI has issued draft guidelines regarding the dividend distribution of NBFCs for FY21 to bring greater transparency, uniformity in place. And you've got a lot of those NBFCs, those with 500 assets of over 500 crores, they are considered systematically important in that entire basket as well. That continues to remain in focus. But within the front liners, apart from UPL, there's Tata Motors, IOC, UltraTech, Tata ONGC, NTPC, Wipro, SBI, they're all under a bit of pressure in today's trading session. While on the flip side, Nestle, Maruti, Titan, they're all holding out. Some of the other news makers, then IRCTC, in focus on the back of the offer for sale price, floor price at 1367. Maruti is gone ahead and raised its prices. TCS, the buyback opens on the 18th of December, closes 1st January. M&M has subscribed to the shares of its Finland subsidiary. SBI is in focus with the Goldman Sachs report as well, that it remains very bullish on the counter. Down about 1.5% then when it comes to the broader markets, names like DMart, D's Laboratories, as well as BHEL, Z Entertainment, Oracle Software, IOC, Vedanta, Bosch,